Hey everyone, my name is Mahesh Sopari. Hope you're doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to show you an incredible free traffic source for affiliate marketing. Even if you are a beginner, you can successfully use this method. And guys, if you want to discover my favorite strategy that helped me quit my full-time job and make money online, then I encourage you to check out the first link in the description down below. Imagine this: if an ordinary person like me from India with English as a third language and coming from a farming family background, now who can build automated systems and make money in US dollars, then why can't you follow the exact same strategy and start making money for your success? So for more information, please visit the first link in the description. And also, if you stick to this video till the end, then I'm about to give you a bonus worth $2,488 for absolutely free. So to claim it, I request you to watch this video till the end. Now let's get started with today's video. Alright, but first let me demonstrate the potential of this website. So when you check SimilarWeb, you'll see this website is ranked number 11 on the entire internet. And it gets a staggering 3.4 billion monthly visits. And over 60% of its visitors come from highly developed countries, meaning this site has an immense potential for affiliate marketing. You know, the website I'm talking about is Reddit, and I know what you're thinking about. You can't use Reddit for affiliate marketing because you'll be marked as a spammer and get banned. Well, actually, you can use Reddit. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it properly without getting flagged as a spammer. First, you need to choose your niche. Let's say you're in the weight loss niche. So go to Reddit and search for your niche. For example, type weight loss and click on communities. And you'll see various weight loss related communities or subreddits, which we call. So choose one of these. Like I'm going across with this community, which has 4 million members. So once you are in the subreddit, sort the post by hot. Go through this post to identify the most common questions and problems people have about weight loss. For example, look at this post which is talking about biological roots of fatigue. Now find recurring issues that many people are discussing. Next, write an article addressing one of these common problems. My advice is to write the article yourself, but if you can't, you can make use of ChatGPT or Google Gemini to help. For example, ask ChatGPT to write an article on a deep dive into the body's energy crisis. And guys, also if you like to write articles or blogs with the help of Google Gemini or ChatGPT, I created a dedicated video which is called 6-step blog creation formula, which will be linked in the description below, or it will be popping on the screen, anywhere on the screen or on the top right corner. So you can make use of this video to create your own unique blog post or the article. Now, after you have your article, go back to Reddit and create a new post on your profile. Okay, so choose the title and content from your article, add an interesting image related to your topic, and format the post to make it readable. And make a note, guys, don't include any affiliate links initially when you're creating these articles. Alright, now go back to the subreddit and find people who have asked the questions your article addresses. Comment on their post and link back to your Reddit post. Since your post is on Reddit and doesn't contain any external links, you won't be marked as a spammer. And guys, here is a great thing about Reddit. You know, Reddit has a domain rating of 95, which is nearly maximum authority. This means if you do good keyword research and optimize your article well, your Reddit post can rank high on Google search results. And you might wonder how to promote your affiliate products, right? Initially, don't add any affiliate links. After publishing a few articles, let's say 10 articles or 15 articles, you could add a new article with an affiliate link directing to your blog or to your website where you promote your affiliate products. This way, you won't be flagged as a spammer. Regularly posting useful and informative articles will help you gain followers who will click on links to your blog or website. For example, guys, if you are promoting fitness products, write articles on topics like effective home workouts or top 10 healthy eating tips. So use Reddit to link back to your article on your blog Over time, as you build a reputation and followers, more people will visit your site, increasing the chances of them purchasing from your website or through your affiliate links. Alright guys, now this method might be a bit complicated and time consuming, but it works. Please keep this in mind guys. Creating a sustainable business online will be taking a lot of time and dedication. There is nothing like overnight millionaire. You need to invest some time and dedication to see some good results. So once you're ranked on search engines with Reddit, you will make money for sure with affiliate marketing and get free traffic if you follow this approach. And if you want to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Why? Because it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. And also don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for this video. And guys, by any chance, if you like to discover my favorite strategy, as I said, that which is making me around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of my home, then I request you to visit the first link in the description, get registered and watch my free masterclass. And as a special bonus, as I promised, I'm offering a $2,488 bonus for absolutely free to the first 500 members who join my VIP inner circle from the second link in the description. In this community, you'll get access to my affiliate marketing course, valuable resources, and also the opportunity to network with the like-minded individuals. So I request you to take action as soon as possible guys. Why? Because the spots are filling really soon. So this would be a great opportunity for you to log this $2,488 bonus for absolutely free. So to get into my community, I request you to please visit the second link in the description. And as I said, please do subscribe. It motivates me to create new videos. Take care guys. Meet you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.